Dear friends, let us understand the second question from exercise 2.3. Second question is, find the domain and range of the following real functions. We are given that they are real functions and function is written in the form of f of x is equal to negative absolute x. Now we are given that x is a real number. X is a real number means x can have the values negative. Here x can have the values fractions, negative fractions, positive fractions. It can have irrational values also. So x can have any value, whether it is negative fraction or irrational number. Now let us try to understand this. F of x is equal to negative absolute x. Negative mod of x means what? Let us try to understand. If x is negative 3, if x is equal to negative 3, f of x is equal to minus of minus 3. This mod of minus 3 means it becomes positive 3. So this is equal to minus of 3. So please note, this is equal to negative 3. Then if x is equal to negative half, we will get minus f of x is equal to minus of minus absolute minus half. So this will be mod of minus will become positive, so we will get minus half, that is equal to minus half. Now let us check. Please note, if we are having x is having negative values, we are getting negative values. If x is having a positive value, let us see what happens. If x is equal to half, then f of x is equal to minus mod of half. So this is a positive value, so this will again remain positive, but this is a negative of the absolute value, hence this becomes negative half. Please try to understand this. Modulus is always positive and we are attaching negative sign to the modulus, so this becomes minus. Please try to understand. When we have x positive, we get f of x is equal to negative. When x is negative, we get f of x is negative. When x is negative, f of x is negative. Let us check what happens to if it is having an irrational value. X is equal to root 2. Then f of x is equal to minus of modulus of root 2. We know that root 2's value is irrational, that is 1.4142 and so on. It will not end. So please try to understand. This will have again a positive value and f of x is equal to negative root 2. Negative root 2 is again a real number. So please try to understand whether x is negative, whether x is positive, whether x is irrational. In all the cases, we get f of x is equal to negative values. What does that mean? So if x is negative or positive, f of x is always negative. It means domain, we are given domain is a real function. So domain can have all the elements and range will always have, second set will always have a negative elements. Here negative 3 is having a relation with negative 3. Then negative half is having a image negative half. So you will notice that in all the cases range contains only negative values, means domain is a set of all real numbers. And range, please note, range is having only negative values, means it is a set of all negative real numbers. So it is a set of negative real numbers and it is a set of negative real numbers. What does this can be written? Please try to understand. Negative real numbers means, now we know that it is a number line. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will have all the numbers in this direction from 0 to negative. This will not end. Please note, real numbers go on and on. It doesn't end. So it means it is a set of, range is a set of a very large number. I am writing infinity, please note it is undefined number, hence we cannot write this undefined. It is excluded. Round bracket means it is excluded to 0. 0 included. So you will see that range contains an element infinity not included to 0 included. So please try to understand this. Close bracket and open bracket we have already seen earlier. If you have not understood, you can watch the earlier videos. Now next sub question is f of x is equal to root of 9 minus x square. We are asked find the domain and range of the following real function. This function is a real. Now for this function to be real, for 9 minus x square, try to understand, if we take the values x is equal to 1, we will get root of 9 minus x square is equal to root of 9 minus 1, that is equal to root of 8 exist. If you take x is equal to 2, you will get root of 9 minus 2 square is 4, we will get root of 5. It exists. If you take x is equal to 3, you will get root of 9 minus 3 square. X square is 3 square. 9 minus 9 is equal to root of 0. Is equal to 0. Exist. If you take x is equal to 4, let us see what happens. We will get root of 9 minus x square. 9 minus 16 is equal to root of negative 7. Try to understand this. This is not a real number. Root of negative 7 is not a real number. Why? If you take a square, root of negative 7, if you square this, you will get answer negative 7. Now, we have studied, use your pre-knowledge. Square of any number, square of any real number is always a positive integer, or a positive or not positive integer, it is always positive. So, here we are getting a square of some integer as a negative, hence it doesn't exist. So, this number is not a real. This number is not a real number. What does that mean? This 9 minus 16 cannot be greater than 0. So this 9 minus 16, here this number x square cannot be greater than 9. So if x square cannot be greater than 9 means x cannot be greater than 3. If x is not greater than 3, we will get this number equal to 9 or less than this. If you take x is equal to negative 4 also, negative 4 square is this. So you will understand that x can take the values only from negative 3 to positive 3. Negative 3 to positive 3 both included. So domain will have the values from negative 3 to positive 3 both included, and try to understand range. Now, if you try to understand the range, f of x is equal to, in this case, we have got root 8. For 2, we have got root 5. For 3, we have got 0. Please understand, if you take negative values, if you take negative root 3, we will get this f of x is equal to, if x is equal to negative 3, we will get root of f of x is equal to, root of 9 minus negative 3 square. So this is equal to root of 9 minus, please try to understand, negative 3 square is also again 9. So this will be again 0. If you take a square, if you take x is equal to negative 2, f of x is equal to root of 9 minus 2 bracket square. This will be again positive, means we will get the same answer, that is equal to root 5. So in all the cases, please note, whether x is positive or negative, we always get f of x only positive. Means f of x has the values only from, f of x is having the values from 0 to 3. It means range is having the values from 0 to 3, square bracket indicates both are included. So this also can be written as is a set of x such that x is having the values from minus 3 to positive 3, and domain is a set of x such that x is having the values from 0 to 3. It can be written in this way or it can be written in this way as well.